Before the universe, space, or time, ancient thinkers asked a daring question: how did everything truly begin? The Nasadiya Sukta was written to explore reality itself, using questions instead of beliefs or fixed answers. It begins by saying there was neither existence nor non existence, beyond yes and no, beyond human thinking. There was no air, no sky, no direction, showing that space itself had not yet formed. Everything was hidden by darkness, meaning nothing was visible, separate, or clearly defined yet. The hymn describes waters everywhere, symbolizing pure potential before any form or movement appeared. From this stillness, inner heat or desire arose, beginning the first movement towards creation. This energy came from within, showing creation begins naturally, like a seed growing from inside. Slowly, order formed from energy, teaching the universe developed step by step over long time. Even the gods came later, meaning awareness appeared only after creation had already begun. The one breathed without air, existing by itself, needing no support from anything outside. There was no second, meaning everything began as one unified whole without separation. Darkness covered darkness, showing layers of mystery beyond what humans can fully understand. The hymn admits it does not fully know, teaching honesty and humility in inquiry. It boldly asks who truly knows creation's origin, challenging authority, belief, and tradition. It even doubts whether the highest observer knows, teaching humility towards power and knowledge. This idea matches modern science, which accepts limits, gaps, and unanswered questions honestly. The hymn treats questioning as sacred, showing doubt drives understanding forward. Instead of answers, it trains the mind to think deeply, observe carefully, and remain open. This makes the Nasadiya Sukta an early example of scientific thinking. Creation grows through separation, as one calm state slowly divides into many forms. Above and below appear later, showing direction forms after creation begins. Time also appears later, meaning there was no past or future at first. The hymn focuses on conditions, teaching that rules and patterns come before objects. Creation happens naturally, without commands or control, like clouds or crystals forming alone. Understanding comes slowly, teaching patience and careful observation instead of rushing answers. By refusing final answers, the hymn keeps curiosity alive across generations. Like science, knowledge improves over time, correcting mistakes instead of claiming certainty. Doubt is shown as powerful, pushing the human mind to explore deeper truths. The hymn teaches how to think clearly, not what to believe blindly. Awareness appears later, showing consciousness forms after matter and energy interact together. Humans became the universe observing itself, not outsiders watching from outside creation. Observation affects reality, echoing modern scientific ideas about measurement and change. The hymn connects mind and cosmos, showing thought is a natural process. Understanding existence is treated as sacred, without worship, without any fear, and without any blind devotion. Truth is discovered through calm observation, not emotional drama or excitement. Clear thinking requires patience, silence, and courage to face unanswered questions. The hymn respects mystery, knowing when to stop explaining and allows wandering. Silence becomes meaningful, showing some truths cannot be spoken but only experienced. The universe is explored carefully, not fully explained and not fully controlled. The hymn shifts focus to the human mind and how understanding truly happens. Humans are curious participants, not rulers, born from the universe itself. Not knowing is natural, and mystery is not something to fear. By avoiding strong claims, the hymn protects future thinkers and new ideas. It supports science by encouraging exploration but not locking truth in ancient words. Peace comes from accepting uncertainty, not demanding complete explanation. Modern science also reaches limits where mystery honestly remains. Unanswered questions keep curiosity alive and prevent rigid thinking. The hymn shapes character, valuing humility, patience, honesty, and deep listening. Ancient thinkers explored the universe deeply, without any fear of doubt and questioning. The hymn feels like a mirror, reflecting careful early human thinking. Deep thought needs attention, silence, and courage, not just tools or technology. The universe is still unfolding, still questioning through stars, life, and minds. By refusing final answers, the hymn stays alive across time and cultures. It stands beside science, asking deeper questions together without any conflict. Modern cosmology also begins with darkness, uncertainty, and unknown origins. Space and time were born together, matching the hymn's ancient insight. Reality behaves mysteriously, echoing the hymn's suggestion of unknowable depth. Honest questioning connects ancient thinkers and modern scientists in one journey. The hymn prepares us for its final lesson about truth. It steps back from certainty, choosing honesty over authority and power. Maybe even the highest observer does not know how creation began. Uncertainty is shown as wisdom, not weakness or failure. The hymn builds thinkers, not belief systems, temples, or rigid rules. Scientists and seekers return to it for its open, questioning mindset. The universe is a living mystery, inviting participation but not demanding belief. Here, science and spirituality meet in humble admission of not knowing. Honest questions are more powerful than confident answers that stops growth. Understanding becomes a journey of learning, discovery, and wonder. The hymn's gift is courage to say, "I do not know," and keep exploring.